Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best fabric glue is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any crafter, sewer, or DIY enthusiast looking to create professional-looking fabric projects without the need for traditional sewing. Whether you're hemming curtains, repairing a beloved garment, or embarking on an intricate appliqué design, a reliable fabric glue can save you time, effort, and the frustration of dealing with needles and threads, offering a quick and durable bond that holds strong through washes and wear. This innovative adhesive technology has revolutionized how we approach fabric manipulation, making complex designs accessible to everyone and providing a seamless finish that often looks as good as, if not better than, machine stitching. Number 5. ALEENE'S Fabric Fusion Glue 4 ounces. Introducing ALEENE'S Fabric Fusion Glue, the ultimate no-sew adhesive for all your fabric projects. It's perfect for clothing, denim, cotton, and more. For over 75 years, ALEENE'S has been America's favorite crafting glue. Trusted by generations, it's the go-to choice for crafters and households alike. Achieve a super strong, permanent bond that stays flexible even after washing. It ensures your fabrics and embellishments stay put, offering comfortable wear. Skip the needle, thread, and iron. This permanent fabric glue is perfect for crafters of all levels. Just apply it and let it work its magic for fast, easy results. Create a flexible, permanent bond that withstands machine washing. It's great for hems, repairs, and bonding a variety of materials, ensuring lasting results. This safe fabric glue is perfect for any craft. It applies and dries clear, works on all fabrics, and cleans up easily with soap and water. Control the glue flow with the versatile tip, adjusting for precision or wider coverage. The reusable cap keeps it fresh for your next project. What we like? This glue offers a permanent and flexible bond that withstands washing, making it ideal for fabric repairs and embellishments. If you're looking for a no-sew solution for clothing alterations or adding decorative elements to fabric items, this is a great choice. Its ease of use makes it perfect for crafters of all levels. What people say. It holds well and dries pretty quickly. The fabric bonds well and stays soft and flexible. It goes on smooth, dries clear, and holds surprisingly strong, even on tricky fabrics like denim and sequins. Number 4. B7000 Adhesive Rhinestones Glue Kit. Discover the new upgraded B7000 Jewelry Glue Kit. It includes everything you need for your crafting projects, featuring clear rhinestone glue and precision application tools. Our glue features an anti-clogging cap and an ultra-fine tip. This allows for precise control, ensuring you can apply small, accurate drops of adhesive exactly where you need them. Experience high-strength viscosity with this professional jewelry glue. It's designed to bond firmly, dry clear, and remain strong and waterproof over time without yellowing. Get your projects done quickly. This adhesive dries in just 3 minutes at room temperature and fully cures within 24 to 48 hours, providing a durable hold. This multipurpose craft glue is perfect for a wide range of materials and projects. From cell phones and jewelry to nail art and fabric, it adheres to almost anything. Enhance your crafting experience with the included precision tools. A wax pencil, tweezers, and dotting pens help you pick up small gems and control glue application for detailed work. What we like? This adhesive provides a strong, waterproof bond with a precision tip for detailed work, and it comes with helpful application tools. If you're working on intricate projects like rhinestone embellishments for jewelry, phone cases, or nail art, this kit offers everything you need for a professional finish. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts who value accuracy and durability. What people say. The fine tip allows for exact placement without messy drips or excess glue, making it perfect for delicate rhinestone work and intricate jewelry repairs. Once cured, the bond is incredibly strong yet maintains flexibility, so my pieces can withstand normal wear without cracking or breaking at the glue joints. It has a good grip and it's very durable. Small amount of the adhesive really holds. I applied a small amount, let it dry for 48 hours, and it's set perfectly clear. I've been wearing the earrings ever since with no issues at all. The bond is strong, durable, and looks as good as new. Number 3. FITTDYHE B7000 Jewelry Glue 50 ml. Experience a transparent, waterproof bond that seals out air and liquid. It leaves no stains, perfect for restoring your cherished items and creating new crafts. Achieve intricate details with ease. Its needle-like tip and anti-clogging cap ensure precise application, allowing for tiny, controlled glue drops. This adhesive works on a multitude of surfaces. It's ideal for everything from phone repairs and jewelry making to crafting with fabric, wood, glass, and more. Unlike other glues, this one offers exceptional elasticity. It can stretch significantly without breaking, ensuring a durable bond that moves with your materials. Discover a new standard in transparent adhesives. It offers superior viscosity for a firmer hold, drying quickly and reaching optimal hardness for lasting results. What we like. This glue boasts high elasticity and a waterproof finish, offering a restorative effect that's almost invisible. If you need to repair delicate items like phones or jewelry, or create durable crafts where flexibility is key, this is an excellent option. Its ability to stretch and bond without breaking makes it suitable for projects requiring long-lasting adhesion. What people say. The fine tip allows for exact placement without messy drips or excess glue, making it perfect for delicate rhinestone work and intricate jewelry repairs. Once cured, the bond is incredibly strong yet maintains flexibility, so my pieces can withstand normal wear without cracking or breaking at the glue joints. It has a good grip and it's very durable. Small amount of the adhesive really holds. The bond is strong, durable, and looks as good as new. Unlike other glues I've used, this one has a metal insert in the tip that keeps the glue from drying up or getting gunky. It also prevents overflow, so it stays clean and easy to use long term. Number 2. Sewline Fabric Glue Pen Set. Introducing the Sewline Fabric Glue Pen Set, a convenient and archival quality solution for your sewing needs. This set includes a pen and refill pack, making it easy to keep your projects moving forward. Say goodbye to pins. This solid glue stick holds fabric securely in place for sewing, offering a quick and easy alternative. It's perfect for precise fabric placement without any fuss. The colored glue dries clear, leaving no thick residue behind. It's also water-soluble and safe for most fabrics, ensuring clean and professional results every time. Keeping your glue pen ready is simple with our easy refill system. Each refill package comes with 2 glue pen refills, so you're always prepared for your next creation. Designed for longevity, this glue pen offers archival quality. Your fabric placements will remain secure and stable, preserving the integrity of your work. Enjoy the convenience of a pen-like dispenser for precise application. It's designed for comfortable handling and accurate glue placement, making your sewing tasks more efficient. What we like. This fabric glue comes in a convenient pen dispenser with a solid glue stick, perfect for precise application without pins. If you're a sewer or quilter who needs to temporarily hold fabrics in place for stitching, this is an ideal tool. Its water-soluble nature and clear drying make it safe and easy to use on most fabrics. What people say. Easy to use and lasts a good while. The only benefit over the Elmer's glue stick is it's a bit firmer and goes on smoothly. Great for paper piecing, does not have liquid glue that drips. Number 1. Sewline Fabric Glue Pen Bundle. Introducing the Sewline Fabric Glue Pen Bundle, your ultimate sewing companion. This package includes pens and refills for all your fabric needs. It features a convenient, pen-like dispenser for easy application. The glue is archival quality, ensuring your projects stand the test of time. This solid glue stick holds fabric securely in place, eliminating the need for pins. It's perfect for precise sewing and quilting. The colored glue dries clear, leaving no thick residue behind. It's also water-soluble and safe for most types of fabric. Keep your projects going with the easily refillable design. Each refill package contains 2 glue pen refills, ensuring you always have enough on hand. What we like. This fabric glue offers a convenient pen-like dispenser for precise application, holding fabric securely without pins. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to position fabrics for sewing or crafting, this is a great solution. Its archival quality and water-soluble formula ensure it's safe for your projects and dries without residue. What people say. I use this in my sewing room on projects often. I've never had a problem with fabric bleeding from the glue. I use it mostly for English paper piecing. Works great when working on my English paper piecing projects. It really is temporary. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.